Hi everybody and welcome to this video. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about singular and plural. Okay, singular means one and plural means more than one or many. Okay, let's look at the bird. Muri aho tugiye muri iri somo tugiye kuvuga ku bijyanye n'ubukeya cyangwa se ubwinshi. Yes. Iyo uvuze singular uba uvuze ikintu kimwe kiri mu buke, wavuga plural ukaba uvuze ikintu kirenze kimwe. Okay, reka turebe ku kibaho. Let's look at the bird. Okay, this part is showing singular. All these words, these nouns are singular. Okay, when a word, a noun is in singular, we just put a. Example, a ring, a ring, a ring, which means one ring, impeta imwe. A ring, impeta imwe. Igihe cyose ijambo riri mu buke mu cyongereza tubanza gushyiraho a. Urugero, a ring, an apple, an apple, which means one apple, cyangwa se pome imwe. An apple, pome. Ariko kuko ijambo pome ritangirwa n'inyajwi turashyiraho an, tuvuge an apple, nibwo buryo tuba tubivuze neza. An apple. Okay, the next word is a dog, a dog, a dog, which means one dog. Kuko riri mu bukeya turavuga a dog, ntabwo tuzavuga dog gusa, tuzavuga a dog. Mu kibonezamvugo nibwo buryo bwiza. A teacher, a teacher. Okay, which means one teacher. A chair, a chair, which means one chair. An ant, an ant, which means one ant. An ant, an ant. Okay, let's go through these words one more faster. Tunasobanura mu Kinyarwanda tunasobanukirwa neza. A ring, impeta. An apple, pome. A dog, imbwa. A teacher, umwarimu. A chair, intebe. An ant, an ant, urutozi. Aya magambo yose nk'uko muyabona ari mu bukeya, kandi noneho ikintu kitwereka ko ari mu bukeya ni uko twagiye kuba dushyiraho a cyangwa se an. Ku ijambo twongere dusobanukirwe neza ku ijambo ritangirwa na consonant. Consonant, ijambo ryose ritangirwa na consonant dushyiraho a. Urugero, a ring, a ring. No ku ijambo ritangirwa na vowel, vowel ni ingombajwi, ko dushyiraho an. Urugero, an apple, an apple. A ring, impeta. An apple, pome. A dog, imbwa. A teacher, umwarimu. A chair, intebe. An ant, an ant, urutozi. Okay, ndakeka bino birasobanutse. So let's move to the next part. This part here, over here, is showing plural. These nouns are plural. Once again, to remind you, so when a noun is in singular, we just put s at the end of noun to make it plural. Iyo ijambo ryacu riri mu bukeya kugira ngo turishyire mu bwinshi twongeraho s. Okay, let's take a look at these words. Reka turebe kuri aya magambo. Twabonye hambere muri singular mu bukeya a ring. Nitujya mu bwinshi turavuga two rings, two rings, impeta ebyiri. Urabona kuko akoze abaye nyinshi twongeyeho s. Two rings, impeta ebyiri. Repeat after me. Two rings, rings, impeta ebyiri. Let's move on to the next word. An apple, an apple. An apple bivuga pome. Nidushyira mu bwinshi three apples, three apples, three apples. Okay. A dog, a dog, imbwa. Ubwo ni imbwa imwe. Niziba nyinshi turavuga four dogs, four dogs. Okay. A teacher, a teacher, umwarimu umwe. Five teachers, five teachers, abarimu batanu. A teacher, umwarimu. Teachers, abarimu. Okay? A chair, intebe. 6 chairs, a chair, intebe imwe. 6 chairs, intebe esheshatu, cyangwa se chairs, intebe. Ubwo uvuze ubwinshi ariko utavuze umubare wazo. An ant twibukiranyije ni urutozi. 7 ants, 7 ants. Okay? Ant, urutozi rumwe. Ants, intozi nyinshi. Okay? Urabona aya magambo yacu yose ari mu bwinshi, kugira ngo yerekane mu bwinshi twagiye dushyiraho s. Okay? Let's go through these words one more faster and then we move on to the next part. A ring, 2 rings. An apple, 3 apples. A dog, 4 dogs. A teacher, 5 teachers. A chair, 6 chairs. An ant, 7 ants. Ikindi kintu ntabwo ari ngombwa yuko hano dushyiraho umubare w'ibintu. Ushobora no gushyira mu bwinshi gusa tudashyize umubare. Urugero nko twavuze a ring, twari tuvuga mu bwinshi rings, yabihagije. Ariko ahangaha icyo twashatse gukora ni ukongeraho umubare wazo kugira ngo bimenyekane. Urugero hano an apple, pome imwe, ariko dushobora kuvuga apples, pome nyinshi, ntizisobanura umubare wazo. Icyo tuba tugamije ni uko mu bwinshi tugomba kongeraho s. Okay? Let's move on to the next part. Okay? Here are some more examples. These nouns here are a bit different from the previous one. So, reka turebe izindi ngero, ariko aya magambo atandukanye n'amagambo tumaze kubona mbere, kuko aya magambo yo twongeraho es. Twamaze kubona kugira ngo dushyire ijambo mu bwinshi dushyiraho s, ariko ku magambo amwe n'amwe twongeraho es. So, in English, most nouns takes s, but some nouns take es at the end to make them plural. Mu Cyongereza amagambo menshi ajyaho s, ariko amagambo amwe ajyaho es yiyashyira mu bwinshi. So, let's take a look at the board. Please take a careful look. Reka turebe ku kibaho, mwitegereze neza. A bus, bisi. A box, ikarito cyangwa isanduka. A watch, isaha. A kiss, akabizu. Aya magambo yacu yose ari mu bukeya, ariko kuko atandukanye n'amagambo ya mbere, kuko yashyira mu bwinshi turongeraho es, like this. Es. Ubundi twongeragaho s gusa ku magambo asanzwe, ariko kuri aya ngaya turongeraho es. Kubera iki? Turabireba mu kanya. Okay? A bus, 2 buses. A bus, 2 buses. Ubwo a bus ni bus, no mu bwinshi buses. Okay? 2 buses, 4 buses, 9 buses, many buses. Okay? Twongeyeho s kugira byumvikane ko ari bisi nyinshi. A box, ikarito. 3 boxes, ikarito eshatu. A box mu bukeya, boxes mu bwinshi. Okay? A watch, isaha. 4 watches, isaha enye. Watches, isaha nyinshi. Washaka kuvuga umubare wazo, 4 watches, isaha enye. 3 watches, isaha eshatu. 9 watches, isaha icyenda. So it will depend, bizaterwa we n'icyo ushatse kuvuga. Icyo uzakora gusa no kongeraho es at the end of this noun, ku mpera y'iri jambo, to make it plural, kugira ngo ribe mu bwinshi. Okay? That's when you will sound natural, icyo gihe uzumvikana nk'umuntu uvuze ibintu byiza. A kiss mu bukeya, akabizu, no mu bwinshi 5 kisses. A kiss mu buke, mu bwinshi kisses. Repeat after me. Kisses. Okay? The next word is an axe. 6 axes. Okay? an axe mu bukeya, mu bwinshi 6 axes. Utashaka no kuvuga umubare wazo ukavuga mu bwinshi gusa, axes, 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 axes. Okay. Let's go through these words one more faster, tunasobanure, then we move on to the next part, aho turi burebe amategeko tugenderaho kugira ngo dushyireho es. Ubusanzwe nkuko nabivuze mu cyongereza dushyiraho s gusa, ariko bibaye ngo dushyiraho es. Okay. A bus, 2 buses. A bus, bis, 2 buses, bisi ebyiri. A box, ikarito, 3 boxes, ikarito eshatu. A watch, isaha, 4 watches, isaha enye. A kiss, akabizu, 5 kisses, utubizu dutanu. An axe, ishoka, 6 axes, ishoka esheshatu. Okay, let's move on to the next part. We are going to see how to know when to put s or es at the end of the word to make it plural. Okay. Aya magambo yo ni amagambo agiye kudufasha kumenya ni ryari dushyiraho es ku mpera y'ijambo turikura mu buke turishyira mu bwinshi. So reka dore ku ijambo church, iri jambo church riri mu bukeya, ariko kuko riherwa na ch turashyiraho es. So if a noun ends in ch, we just add es. Churches, ijambo riherwa na ch dushyiraho es kugira tubishyire mu bwinshi. Brush, this noun brush ends in sh, so we just add es. Brushes. The next word is fox. This noun fox ends in x, so we just add es. Foxes. The next word is dress. This noun dress ends in s, so we just add es to make it plural. Potato. This noun potato ends in o, so we just add es to make it plural. So the next and the last word, but not least, is volcano. So volcano ends in o, we also add es to make it plural. Volcanoes. Please repeat after me. Volcanoes. Okay, aya niyo magambo yacu. Twibyibukiranyirijeho gatoya, ijambo riherwa na ch dushyiraho es, ijambo riherwa na sh dushyiraho es, ijambo riherwa na x dushyiraho es, ijambo riherwa na s dushyiraho es, ijambo riherwa na o dushyiraho es, kugira ngo aya magambo yose tuyashyire mu bwinshi. Okay, let's go through these words one more faster before we come to the end of this lesson. Churches, insengero. Brushes, uburoso. Foxes, ibirura. Dresses, amakanzu. Potatoes, ibirayi. Brushes, uburoso. Foxes, ibirura. Volcanoes, ibirunga. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. But before we go to the end of this video, please share, like, comment and subscribe, so that when I upload a new video, you're the first to see the video. Thank you. Bye.